Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing, and today we've got the green iPhone 13 Pro, we've got the iPhone 13 green, and we've got the iPhone SE. First I'm going to unbox these two and show you how they look, especially as they're Apple's newest colors. Up first I'll do the iPhone 13 green, which is basically green compared to the 13 Pro's Alpine Green, but we'll start with this one first. The feeling of unboxing a new Apple product, nothing will ever beat that in my opinion. If I can do it with one hand, there we go. Now that looks really nice, if I must say. Okay, now I'll do the 13 Pro. High hopes for this one. Okay, that does look very good. So with this one you've got the matte effect with the camera bump glossy, whereas on the iPhone 13 you've got the glossy effect with the matte camera bump. I must say they both look really nice. I've got the blue one, the Sierra Blue, which I quite like, but if you're a fan of the green ones, then I think you won't be disappointed with this. So I've got both of them side by side here. More of a fan of the matte, but let me know what you think in the comments below if you do opt to go for any of these colors.